Meaning of galore.
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 Galore. Galore is an English word that means in abundance or in great quantities. It is often used to describe a situation where there is more than enough of something. For example, you might say there were balloons galore at the birthday party to express that there were a lot of balloons. Similarly, you could say the supermarket had discounts galore on fresh produce to convey that there were many discounts available. Overall, galore is used to emphasize the abundance or surplus of something and can be a useful way to add descriptive detail to your communications.